If your hair look like this and you're wondering how to change your hair from this to this, let me tell you, it's very simple and easy. In this video, I will show you how I change my dry curly frizzy hair into defined, shiny and voluminous hair. So the very first step is to make your hair wet. Always keep a spray water bottle which will be very handy throughout the styling of your hair. Now this is an optional step and I usually do 5 sections. Section 1, Section 2, Section 3, Section 4 and Section 5. Dividing my hair into different sections helps me to apply the product in all parts of my hair, and also it's very easy for me to focus on each and every section of my hair. Take any styler, whether it's a cream, it's gel or mousse, whatever you feel like. Today I'm taking this Trilux High Definition Curl Styling Gel. So basically I follow 3 steps and I follow those 3 steps to all of my sections. So the first is make your hair damp. Make sure your hair is having enough of the water. Second step, apply the product. Number 3, use the brush to style your hair. That's it. And now I'm going to show you how I do these 3 steps to all of my sections. Apply the product and then use the brush to do your brush styling. So I always start with my back and I have already done this back section. Now I'll be doing my second section. I'll take a little bit of hair from this side. Now this is my section 2. As you can see, my hair is not having enough of water, so I'll add water before doing any further steps. Now my hair is having enough of water. I'll now apply the product. Taking a little bit of the product, don't go with too much, just use a little bit. Emulsify on your palms first and then apply on your hair. Make sure that you're applying the product properly and your all strands are coated with the product. So now I have applied the product as well. Now is the brush styling part. Even to brush my hair, what I do is I take small sections. Like first I'll take this side of my hair and start brushing this side. So this one is done. Then I'll take something from my back and do the same. And then I'll take this side and then again do the brush styling like this. And that's it. I've done my second section as well. Now the third one. Now these two will be my third and my fourth section. And again, step 1, make it damp. Step 2, to apply the product. Step 3, to brush style. Now again taking small section and just brushing through like this. Now this is my last and my fifth section. As you can see, it's completely dry. So I'll add some water. I've got water in my hair and now I'll add some product again to this section of my hair, taking a little bit of the product, emulsifying, and then applying to this section of my hair. Now the last part is the brush styling, but I've got a lot of hair. I'll not be brushing it at once. I'll be taking small parts of hair and then brushing through it like this and then throwing at the back. Same goes here. Brushing and smoothing out the hair like this and then throw at the back. Once I'm done with the application of the product and my brush styling, now I let my hair dry completely. And this is my hair after styling. See the difference how my hair was before and now, just the help of one product only. And I know now your question will be what product I used, so I am giving you the product that I have used today is this. This is the high definition curl enhancer styling gel from Frizz-Free. So I just used this one product today to achieve these curls. You can use any styler, any gel, any cream that you have with you. You do not need to buy any new product to achieve these curls. Just follow the steps that I did and you will also have beautiful curls like mine. I hope this tutorial will be helpful and you can achieve beautiful curls as well. Let me know if you have any questions, comment down so that I can come back to you. Thank you for watching this video and I'll see you in next one. Bye.